everybody, my name is Kendrick and I'm doing an unboxing video. We got this little piggy because it reminds you of Justin when he comes out of the shower.
Whatever.
He has a little hat over here. That's his little bathing cap. And then he's a little shirtless over here. This is Justin when he needs to go to the restroom. This is Justin when he is using the restroom. This is Justin when he's happy that he made something. This is Justin when he's currently going to the bathroom. This is Justin going to the club.
You're stupid.
So if you're gonna ask me which one I really want to have,
the club.
I don't want either of them.
That defeats the purpose.
Okay, anyway, so I really want this one because I think it's hella cute. And
mind you, we're in Hong Kong right now.
I'm gonna show you the packaging. It kind of looks like Band-Aids. The Band-Aids. Here's one ASMR. And then I got.
Oh, the one on the box.
It is.
Oh, cute. We named this character Stefano. We found it in Japan. You're supposed to take it out. You're so weird. Why are you being so sexual?
That's it.
Yay! Okay, yeah, I'm putting that in the video.
Be boring, be boring. That's what you're good at.
Why are you backing up?
Because you don't fit in the frame.
Well, found LuLu the Piggy, Daruma at 7-Eleven. We're in Hong Kong right now. So, here we go.
Two stolen moments.
I forget which one. There's 8 different styles. There's a red one, style A, B, C, hidden 1. There's D, E, F, and hidden 2. I kind of like that one.
I want this one.
Well, yeah, the hidden one's always the best, but I don't know which one I got. Which hidden one do you want? 1 or 2?
I want 5.
Where's the 5?
Just open it.
I got the yellow one. Oh no, B, right? Yeah, I got B. Oh, there's like a noise in it.
It's the sound you make when I shake you.
So cute. Take the card. And then I don't know what this one is. It says. Okay, this one is Sam or Adventure Sam. That's hella cute. There's one Ken the Eagle. There's Kashan, Go Mifune.
I love Krishan.
Tsukushi.
Krishan Rock.
Yataro, Yadarwan, yeah, boom. Tekkenman Blade and Protester. And then there's 2 secrets. I don't know. It's kind of cool.
What are you gonna get, Justin?
I don't know. Hopefully for the secret. Only Hong Kong can get this shit at a fucking 7-Eleven. Ooh, there's a gun. Oh, cute. And then the head comes off.
What the fuck? Oh, hell nah.
It's like a...
Show it to me. Oh shit, that scared me.
You're scary.
Okay, say bye to the camera, Justin.
I didn't even put the gun on. Oh my god, it's like low-key like a wannabe Molly. Space Molly. Oh shit, how am I supposed to open this part?
1 eternity later.
I'm not gonna record this, Justin. It's okay.
And there's a little pig in the back. That's hella cute. Ta-da. Hella cute.